Welcome to Quiz Cloudy. Can you guess the animal in 3 seconds? Let's start. Guess the animal. Jellyfish. Any ideas? A chameleon. What is it? Sea dragon. Guess the animal. Komodo dragon. What is it? Octopus. Any ideas? Orchid mantis. You are great. Let's continue. Guess the animal. Goat. Any ideas? A shark. Next animal. Seal. Please like and subscribe for more. What is it? It's a bat. Any ideas? Giraffe. Guess the animal. Peacock. What is it? It's a kangaroo. Guess the animal. Iguana. Please like and subscribe for more.